morning, y'all.
Yeah, I'm Ashley.
I'm Keith.
And welcome back to Richoux on Demand. Yes, we are still filming on that same day, but it is what it is. We are going to do the boyfriend tag, but we're going to call this Age Gap Fiance edition. What?
Okay.
Ooh. He never dances with me, y'all. I don't. Alright, so I have some questions here that I just took off Google, and there's a whole list of them, but we're gonna do maybe 15 or 20, and I'm just kind of scroll and stop, and whichever one I stop on, that's the one we're gonna ask. Okay, let's get started.
Okay.
Question number 1. Which drink do I like the most?
Alcohol or regular?
Regular.
Strawberry lemonade.
That's true. Question number 2. How would you describe our first kiss?
Explosive. For me, anyway.
Oh my gosh, you're so sweet. Okay. Was my college major?
Accounting?
That's true. I was say, I hope you don't get that one wrong. How many languages do I speak?
2 that I know of.
That's right. I can only speak 2. I can read maybe 4.
Why
Right.
can't you speak 4?
I never learned the correct pronunciation, but I can recognize the words when I read them.
Okay.
So, what is my shoe size?
6?
No.
Guess?
No.
We never discussed that.
No, we haven't. I just thought it was a fun one to throw in there because I know you
Oh,
there's
yeah.
no way you would know it unless you just was looking at my shoes or paying really close attention when we went and shop for shoes, which you usually aren't. What'd you say, 6?
Yeah.
That's wrong. I'm a size 7.5 to 8. 9 in boots if I need to wear thick socks with them. You know what I mean, ladies. I don't know which question we're on. I'm just gonna keep asking them.
What
I don't know what
one?
I don't know what number. Oh, I'm scrolling, so I'm not gonna repeat one. I'm scrolling this way. Would I rather hug or kiss?
I don't know, because you do both.
Which one do I do the most?
Kiss.
That's true. That's true. What do I often do in my free time?
Watch YouTube.
That's true too.
All kinds of different stuff. So don't ask what she watches mostly, because it's different. But it's YouTube.
What's some of the stuff
Oh,
I watch?
I love it.
Wait, what's some of the different stuff I watch on YouTube?
Gardening, which you just started doing that. Mindy.
Hey, Mandy girl.
Yeah. Hi, Mindy. Larry. What's that?
Mukbangs.
Mukbang, or whatever you call that.
Yeah, I like to watch Stephanie Sue and B Love's Life and Sauce Queen mukbangs.
And then freaking,
Karina Garcia.
no, the freaking, I don't remember what you call it.
Slime?
Yeah, slime.
Yeah,
Slime videos. Oh my
Karina
God.
Garcia slime videos. I'm
Oh my
obsessed with
God.
Karina Garcia slime videos. They're so good. We gonna make slime on this channel. Slime challenge.
She might.
Comment down below what type
She
of
might.
slime.
I'm not.
Shh. Comment down below what type of slime you want us to make. We gonna make it. Challenge accepted to make
She gonna
Keith
make
make slime.
She gonna make it.
Moving on. What is my favorite color?
Fuck. I know that too.
You should really know it. It should be really
I know.
easy. Like when I tell you what it is, you're gonna kick yourself. It's so easy.
White.
Rose gold.
Damn. Should have known that. The wedding's rose gold. Dummy.
Our wedding colors are rose gold, navy, and ivory.
Yeah, okay.
And my engagement ring is rose gold.
Yeah.
So.
Dummy.
Okay, let's see. What do you think is my all-time favorite restaurant at the moment? I'm gonna make it kind of easier on you at the moment.
At the moment.
Because we haven't been to my all-time favorite restaurant.
Ever? Mm-mm. Oh, crap.
So, at the moment.
At the moment, Jayu. Right? No? Okay,
yeah. Yeah, you can say
Peche.
Peche. I like Peche. But Jay is a good one. Yeah. That's a good one. I'll give you like halfway credit for that one. That's a good one. That's your all-time favorite restaurant.
What?
Jay.
Oh, yeah. That's fun.
Do you believe we're soulmates?
I think so.
Really?
But we did kind of fall in love pretty quick, so yeah, I would think so.
Yeah. That soul tie thing was that real fast, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. What's my favorite ice cream flavor?
Banana split.
Yeah, banana split from the place we go to. Yeah, that's true.
Because I don't know if we ever talked about a flavor as far as ice cream. But every time we go to Rolay, that's all you get is banana split.
Mm-hmm. And I had the cheesecake one. Strawberry cheesecake one.
Yeah, once.
Twice.
Okay, then you still have banana split more than that.
I've had banana split twice.
Damn. The last 2 times it was banana split, so no. I guess banana split.
That's wrong too.
What?
I've alternated because I didn't know which one I like most. I just get one every time. I just swap back and forth each time.
Alright. I'm not too good at this game.
What are 3 countries that I really would like to visit?
No one's Bali.
That's Indonesia. Bali is a city in Indonesia.
Well, don't matter. It's still where you want to go.
Okay, Bali. Go ahead.
Korea.
South Korea.
South Korea.
Correction.
Well, okay, South Korea. By the time we get there, it might just be one country. Hopefully not North.
Right.
I don't know. I'm at a loss for the third one.
You could have picked Kenya, Italy.
But we never discussed none of them.
We've talked about. I told you I wanted to move to Kenya. Remember? I was like, let's move to Kenya. Remember? I called you.
Oh, I thought you were joking.
I'm gonna have to bleep you so much.
Sorry, but I thought you were joking.
Okay, let's see. I'm gonna find one more question, guys. One more.
I was starting to sweat, people, so I'm glad it's down to 1.
What's the one thing you love the most about me?
Your attitude toward life.
What does that mean?
Your happiness toward life.
Oh, yeah.
Your attitude toward life.
Yeah, I love life.
You know? And some people don't. Some people hate life. But you literally love life, enjoy life. Every aspect of it. So that's what I like the most. Okay.
I think you did
one wrong out of the rest of them. I think I did pretty good.
I think he did pretty good, you guys. Tell me how you feel down below. You think he did terrible, or he did okay, or about average of what most guys would get? Because we know they're not very observant. Anyway, guys, we are gonna do the other version, which would be the girlfriend / fiance version, where he will be asking me questions and I will probably get them all wrong, so don't be too harshly on me. Anyway, until you
shows
see
how much she pays attention.
Until you see that video, check out some of our other videos and consider subscribing down below and becoming part of the tribe.
Yep.
Road to 50K, 50,000 individuals that believe you get to decide what your version of happiness looks like, no matter what anyone else says.
That's correct.
Thanks so much for watching, and until next week, bye.
Bye.